Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Ang aking video for today ay a little introduction tungkol sa akin. Yes, I have done a lot of introductions sa aking Facebook and also meron kaming video together with Mr. Flavel sa isang YouTube account namin, The Sweethearts. Ito, The Sweethearts. Yan. And meron kaming video doon na who we are or who are we. Something like that. Pero for this video, I want to introduce myself as an individual. Para sa mga followers, para sa mga subscriber, para makilala niyo ako ng a little bit more tungkol sa akin. Although I'm not going to share so much, syempre, I will keep something private for myself as well and also for my family. Pero let's do this. Ano nga ba ang name ko? Marami nagtatanong, sino ka nga ba, Mrs. Flavel? Well, mahaba po talaga yung name ko when I was in Mayantok, Tarlac. From what I recall, I was writing Rosario Lourdes Maria Fatima Immaculate Conception. Or sometimes Rosario Lourdes Maria Fatima lang. And of course, meron dun yung apelido ko. And then, sa Philippines kasi, in the Philippines, you have to have your first name. And your first name is not just, you can have like 3 first name. And then, you'll have also your middle name is your mother's maiden name. And then, your last name is your father's last name. In the US, ang pinagkaiba dito, ang pangalan mo, isa lang ang iyong first name. Tapos, ang middle name mo ay hindi apelido ng nanay mo, kundi isa pang pangalan. Tapos, apelido ng tatay mo. So, for example, nung na-adapt na ako ng stepdad ko, na-shorten yung name ko. I don't know what happened, pero siguro nahabaan yung dad ko. So, ang nangyari nun, yung Rosario at saka yung Lourdes, pinagsama. So, naging Rose Lou. Tapos, naging Fatima yung middle name ko. Tapos, apelido na. So, naging Rose Lou, Fatima, tapos apelido na. Maraming magtatanong dito, maraming naghahanap sa mga YouTube videos at saka Facebook kasi alam nila na magkakaroon ng a little bit of a question and answer portion na merong pa premyo sa nalalapit na panahon. So, ito ay isa pang tanong. Kailan daw ang birthday ko? Ako po ay pinanganak noong October 15. Okay? Hanggang doon na lang, hindi ko na sabihin ang taon. October 15 po ang aking birthday. At lumaki po talaga ako sa Mayantok, Tarlac. Pinanganak ako sa Maraveles, Bataan. Hindi na ako umabot sa hospital or clinic. Doon na ako mismo sa convento, is what they call it. Kasi po, ang lolo ko po ay pare. Pare po siya ng Katoliko. Okay? Sa father's side. Okay? So, nung nasa Bataan ang lolo ko, nung na-destino sa Bataan or nalipat sa Bataan, I don't know how you call it pagdating sa mga pare. Pero doon tumira ang parents ko and doon ako pinanganak sa convento kung saan not convento. Meron inuupahan or meron isang bahay na nakalaan para sa parents ko. Doon na ako pinanganak. Actually, dinalo ko siya last January, I think. Yes. So, anyways, yes. So, Maraveles, Bataan ako pinanganak. Pero bininyagan ako sa Magdalena, Laguna. Magdalena, Laguna naman po, doon po ang aking ina. Taga doon. Taga doon ang aking ina. I think I said that right. Taga doon ang aking ina. Pero, nung nag-abroad po ang daddy ko at ang mommy ko, yung father ko, hindi, not my stepdad, nung nag-abroad yung tunay kong ama at saka yung ina ko, dinala kami ng aking ama sa Mayantok, Tarlac. So, lumaki po ako sa mama at papa ko sa Poblacion Norte, Mayantok, Tarlac. Ang mama ko po ay tita ng aking ama. Yeah, his aunt. I think. Yes. So, my mama is the aunt of my real father, my biological father. And I grew up with mama and papa since I was 19 months old. Ang ama ko ay nag-abroad na my biological father was working in Qatar at that time. And then my biological mom, went to Jeddah, Saudi Arabia naman. I'm not sure if it's Doha, Qatar that my father was working at, but that's where they work, and that's one of the reasons why I ended up in Mayantok, Tarlac. Actually, 3 kami magkakapatid, 2 kong kuya tsaka ako ang iniwan sa Mayantok. But eventually, yung 2 kong kuya ay kinuha or sumama sa mom ko, and they went to Magdalena, Laguna. So, doon muna sila nagstay while pina-process naman ng nanay ko yung petition nila for them to join in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Kasi doon na nakatira ang mom ko with my stepdad. Doon sila kasi nagkakilala ng stepdad ko, and they got married there also in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Okay? So, I grew up in Mayantok, Tarlac, and doon na rin ako nag-elementary. Pero hindi, natapos ko ang aking 6th grade. I was able to get all the, natapos ko yung aking 6th grade. I graduated 6th grade in Mayantok Central, but I did not attend the recognition day or the graduation day. I'm not quite sure. I think in the Philippines they call it recognition day. Anyways, I wasn't able to attend because I left March 7, 1997. I went with my mom because na-approve yung petition ko to go with them in the US. They were already based in Florida at that time. So I left March 7, 1997, and I was not able to attend the recognition day or graduation day. But my mama and my papa took the certificate for me, or accepted the certificate for me. And yeah, I was in Florida, USA since March 7, 1997, and I studied in a Catholic school in Titusville, Florida. That is actually the same school that my second eldest brother went to and graduated from. And I graduated from that Catholic school, May of 1999. So, May 1999, I graduated 8th grade because here sa US, after ng 6th grade, hindi ka high school agad. Kasi diba dati, back in the 90s, pag graduate ka na ng 6th grade sa Philippines, automatic, first year high school ka na, diba? Dito kasi sa US, it's not like that. After 6th grade, there is no recognition day pa nga dito sa US. It's not like every year, every grade you have recognition day. No. Anyway, so after 6th grade, I attended the 7th grade and 8th grade in that Catholic school. And then I graduated in 8th grade, May 1999. And I enrolled in high school. That's the 9th grade na. That's the first year high school. But only for, I don't think it was even a month, but nearly a month. Almost 1 month lang akong pumasok sa high school because September of 1999, we all relocated, lumipat kami sa Dubai. Ang Dubai noon, wala pa siyang Dubai Mall, wala pang Mall of Emirates, wala pang Ibn Battuta. Meron naman yung Jumeirah Beach Center, City Center. Yun lang yung naatatandaan ko pa. Super desert pa siya noon. So, lumaki ako sa Dubai, kasabay ng pag-usbong ng Dubai, I guess is what you call. But, yeah, so I attended this Arabic school, which is separate the girls sa boys. Magkahiwalay. Same school sila, pero magkaibang building. Yung mga girls are not allowed to be mixed with the boys. Yun yung school na inattendan ko. I still remember the school name, but I'm not going to mention for privacy. Anyways, But that was just for the first year. No, I think I attended 2 years in that school. So I had my freshman and my sophomore year. No, junior year. Huh? I think. Yeah, I didn't do sophomore there. So I remember I was 2 years there, and then 1 year in the other school, which is an American school, but it's high school. No, wait, it's mixed. It's not just high school. There's also elementary, middle school, and high school, the American school. Anyways, after that, after high school, I can't recall if I did. I think part of my high school, yeah, I did not graduate in that school because I actually did an home independent learning study. So that is like a homeschool. So para siyang homeschool kasi para nakakapasyal-pasyal ako kasama sila mami at daddy, ganun. Tapos nag-college din ako sa Greece. Bali 2 years sa Greece. And after that, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. I didn't go to school in Thailand, but I know I was in Thailand for a few months. And something happened in Thailand. And then I went back to the Philippines and I did study in Laguna. Nag-aral ako sa Laguna 2 years yata. So, yun. Maraming nangyari sa buhay ko. And I cannot put it all in just a few minutes of my time here. So, yun lang muna ang i-share ko. And later on, you'll know more about me. But yes, nag-aral ako sa Laguna. Nag-aral din ako sa Tagaytay. So, yun. But I did not do any graduation in any of those Philippine universities and school. Kasi bumalik ako sa... Hindi ko na matandaan kung saan ako bumalik. Really. Ang daming nangyari. I have to think about it. Anyways, pag umabot ka dito sa video na ito, ang dami mong nalaman tungkol sa akin, and those are very important information pagdating sa ating Q&A portion. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!